Okay guys, this is just a real quick video. Sorry, I won't put my face on this one because I'm still getting over a little episode I had over Christmas. This is a stock that has been coming up on my radar when I look each day of what's going on, and I'm actually going to get in and buy some of this. I've been watching it. Look, I watch it all the time, but over the last say 3 months it's had a steady decline, and today we are talking about Netflix right there. As you can see, it's at $88 now. Only 6 months ago we were at 120, and still has very good earnings. Earnings report actually comes out in 4 days time, so when that's happening, I actually like to get in or keep a very close eye and see what's happening. Now, last quarter, you see they did miss their prediction, but a prediction is, like, as far as I'm concerned, bugger all, because as long as these figures are up, these graphs are up, and they're not going down the other way, we're pretty good. Okay, we're in a good territory. Now, over a year, we were up to $133. Now, I did sell out back here somewhere on this account, my Sherry's account. We'll just check what we've got in there. We've got 560 to play with at the moment, and we will go down to find Netflix. Here we go. Now, let's let it load. Okay, so there we are. So I haven't bought Netflix for a long time or sold, as you can see. Now we'll click on here. Now this is where I did buy. Now I was buying here right at the bottom, or when I thought was the bottom. Now look at this, I predicted it so well. I'm buying at $16, $17. It never got cheaper, and I was pumping up then. I was putting a fair bit into Netflix, as you can see, all those little dots. There's a dot there as it was going up, and then I went, look, I'm going to cool it and see where we go, and hopefully it'll go up. And it did go up. It went up to here to $60. There you go. So I sold most of my bag then, but then, as you can see, it continued to just go up and up and up and way up to $130 odd. Okay, now this is why you don't sell everything. I actually didn't, and so I had some in left, and we'll just have a look at my investment here. And it says, well, there you go. I sold everything down to $54. So I let that $54 ride, and glad I did, because now that $54 that I have in there is now $552. That's a 10 times my investment. Okay. And that's with it also coming back down. Like, it's imagine if I pulled out at 130. Now we're down to 90 or 88. So I'm quite happy with those figures to be putting a little chunk in. There we go there. We'll just go to 6 months so it brings it out a bit. Go to 3. There we go. So we're right down, we're at the bottom now for the last 6 months. So I'm thinking, yeah, I like it. I still like the fundamentals of Netflix. It's not something that I really like as a long-term company, but it is a money maker, and we're all about making quick money here. And as you did see, I did make quick money on my investments. Why is that graph going all funny now? Anyway, it doesn't matter. All right, let's go back to here. There, see, so you know, I've put money in, I've made money, I've watched, now it's come down. Now I'm thinking I'm going to put some more money in. So we did have $560 to play with, so I'm going to buy. And where are we? Buying whole shares. We can do that, or we can just buy in dollars. There we go. We'll buy in dollars, and we'll. So I had 500. Here we go. My estimated wallet in USD is 373 at the moment. So I'm going to put a good chunk in. I'm going to put 250 on right now. and then we'll just check it. We'll just keep checking it over the next days, weeks, and look, it may go down, it may go up, but in 4 days we do have the what is it? I've gone blank. What's it called? The earnings report. Sorry, I'm just not with it. Earnings report on the 20th of January. So we'll keep an eye on that, and then we can go and buy some more if we want, or we can just let that 250 ride. So I'm placing my order. There we go. I just like to do that, guys, so that you can see that I actually do trades. I'm not just sitting here going, yeah, you should buy this and buy that, and then I walk away laughing because I didn't do it myself. I do it myself, and there you go. All right, thanks guys for watching, and please like and subscribe and check out all the other videos, and let's see where Netflix goes. Where do you think? Well, let me know in the comments below where you think Netflix is going to be. All right, thanks guys. Thank you.